Uh, Unlike my other panelists, I do not have a presentation to share. I'll use just words to share my thoughts. I represent Max Healthcare, which is a healthcare provider group operating 11 hospitals in North India now. We started our journey almost 10 years ago with a single center, but now we have expanded to a footprint which is covering 3 states, or rather 4 states now, with a bed strength of reaching almost 1200 beds now, and we have aggressive plans to expand. Now, I would like to carry on what Colonel Patole just left. In fact, when he was giving the example of VA Vista, we in fact are the second hospital in this country who have adopted this system. We have recently gone live with the implementation of VA Vista. The flavor that we have gone in is the World Vista, since VA is an organization which develops it and releases under act called Release of Information Act in US, because it's taxpayers who have paid for this development. And then this was taken up by an open source community called World Vista and made available to the world. Anybody who wants to use it can take it up and use it. We have since we picked up this product, or this flavor of this Vista, we developed the integration of that product with our own HIS, Hospital Information System, that we were already running, to make it compatible with the way that we function in this country. And the experience so far has been that Vista provides a rich clinical features which most of the proprietary products lack. The fact that we were already using a hospital information system which was catering to the way that the Indian healthcare industry works in this country, so that helped us to Indianize it and keep the flavor of the product with its rich clinical content intact. The fact that we went in for such an implementation for a network of hospitals to use such a system is not easy. We at this stage can say that for a CPOE we have almost 100% utilization. Normally we, for statistical purposes, we say 99 plus. For the functionality of using notes and recording the documentation part of the patient, that functionality we see adoption which is varying from 20% to almost 100% across the departments. There are certain departments which are, or physicians or specialties which are more amenable to the way some specialties which are more amenable to the way that we to the adoption of electronic system, and there are certain specialties where the practice is not able to adopt the system in its day-to-day working. There are challenges, we understand that, and that is the reason why we have gone for a hybrid model. We encourage our physicians to use the system at the point of care. We enable them by providing computer on wheels, by providing computers terminals at the OPDs, by providing computer terminals at the IPDs. Every area where there could be an interaction between a patient and a physician, a computer system is available. The challenges that still remain, for that we have also provided dictaphones. We are using transcription services. we are using helpers or assistants who help the physicians to enter the data. Now, when we are looking at the data, we find that the data that has got generated in the last 4 months is quite substantial. We are now coming to a stage where we see that the patient, when he returns back, and the next physician who is looking at that patient opens up the system and finds that he has some ready data already available. That is giving us the benefit in terms of the buy-in that the physicians feel that this system is advantageous to them in their own practice. So the journey so far, I believe, has been challenging and very, very interesting. I just wanted to share the journey that we have made so far, the practices and the assumptions on which we started, the system that we chose to go with. Being an open source system provided us a lot of flexibility to build around it. We chose to go carry forward the hospital information system that we were already using, which took care of the typical billing and the patient management requirements of a typical Indian hospital. Those things, I believe, helped us in adapting or Indianizing the system which was not made for this country, but still got implemented in this country. Thank you so much, and I'll be open to any questions that you may have.